health facilities, not only during the pandemic period, but also on any given day or circumstance. Today's event is truly monumental for the Philippine Navy because it marks the beginning of the implementation of the government's national vaccination program, which is expected to be in full swing in the coming weeks. Every life is important, and time is of the essence here. The vaccine rollout needs to be quick, and the Department of Health will administer them as quick and as safe as possible. The Philippine Navy is one with the national government and the Department of Health in protecting and saving Filipino people's health and lives. We also need this vaccine for us to be able to do our jobs, and we will all have them very soon. I expect everybody to cooperate with the implementation of this program, and I'm looking forward to the day that we can finally say we are COVID-free. Little by little, step by step, we can and we will overcome this COVID-19 pandemic together. Maraming salamat, mabuhay ang hukbong dagat ng Pilipinas, at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, sir, for that message. At this juncture, we shall now witness the ceremonial vaccination. May we request the presence of the Acting Chief Surgeon Navy, Colonel Reynaldo V. Capus, Medical Corps, General Staff Corps, to please proceed in front for the ceremonial vaccination.
Our vaccinee was already pre-registered using the AFP iPass, a rapid pass ID verification system, which was spearheaded by the Office of J6 for the COVID-19 monitoring and management of the AFP personnel.
He was also screened and examined to be fit and healthy to receive the vaccine and already signed the final consent to receive his first dose.
Our vaccinee will now receive his first dose, to be administered by the Regional Director of DOH-NCR, Director Corazon Flores. After vaccination, he will proceed to the post-vaccination area to be observed for at least 15 to 30 minutes before he is cleared to be sent home.
Thank you so much, sirs and ma'am. Again, we request everyone to please settle down. Please all be seated. At this point, let us hear the remarks of the Department of Health Regional Director, Director Corazon Flores.
Magandang umaga pa naman po, ano po. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Of course, sa ating pong lahat dito po sa Philippine Navy, dito sa Manila Naval Hospital, mula po sa Department of Health. Kaninang umaga po, handun po kami sa Taguig Pateros. I was a bit late kasi po, how do you call it? Nagkaroon po muna dun sa Lakeshore, tent. Doon po yung kanilang venue for the vaccination. But of course, please allow me to please greet first our men and women who are being responsible for taking good care of our Navy. Kayo po, at sabi nga po ni ma'am kanina, nagkasakit, but everyone knows also, a year ago, kasama po ako sa first case. I believe, case number 165 or 135 po yata ako. Kaya March po ako nagkasakit. Kaya tawa ng Diyos, gumaling din po. Of course, I would like to first greet our Colonel Fiorelin Epres, of course, Lieutenant Colonel Luis Ricaport. Magandang umaga po. Of course, yung binakunahan natin kanina, the Acting Chief Surgeon of the Navy, Colonel Reynaldo Capus. Maraming isang honor po na ako po ang makapagbakuna sa inyo. And of course, you should congratulate him. Kayo po ang kauna-unahan from the Manila Navy Hospital na nabakunahan. And of course, our Assistant Secretary from DBILG, ASEC Esther Aldana. And of course, sa inyo po lahat mula po sa Department of Health. We would like to thank all of you for joining us, the men and women who have made today possible para po ma-launch natin ang ating COVID vaccination dito po. Alam niyo po, we are now closer to our goal of further protecting every Filipino. Especially po, ito po ang ating problema ng COVID-19. Isang taon na po tayong pinahirapan, hindi lamang po tayo dalawa, ma'am, ang nagkasakit, but a lot of health workers had been affected by this disease. Totoo po yun, pagka ho kayo nasa ospital at nung buwang Marso at wala pa ho kayo alam na gawamutan, ang mangyayari po talaga umiyak kayo dahil wala naman dadalaw sa inyong pamilya dahil nahandun lang po kayo nag-iisa sa hospital. Di po ba? And being a doctor, and it's kind of frustrating dahil nag-iisa ka doon, hindi mo alam ang yung kalalagyan that time, that March, na marami po tayong mga kasamahan sa ating mga health workforce na nagkakasakit na hindi natin alam na gumagaling, di po ba? And today marks a big step. Talaga po malaking step po ito in our efforts to overturn this health crisis. Sabi nga po, rest back na natin ito laban sa COVID. Kaya rest back bakuna. We cannot overemphasize the need to ensure that we waste no more precious time in our fight to end the epidemic. Marami pong salamat, dumating na po yung ating kauna-unahang COVID vaccine. At huwag po natin itong sayangin. Huwag po natin sayangin ang opportunity. This is the best vaccine that we have because this is the only vaccine that we have. Kumbaga, heto na po yung gamot, ito na po yung bakuna na gagamitin natin laban sa sakit Huwag po natin sayangin. Alalahanin po natin, siyempre maghihintay ka, kailan pa darating yon. Kumbaga, sabi nga natin, baka patay na yung kabayo pagka dumating na yung pinakasariwa at pinakamasarap na damo na gusto natin. But now we have the vaccine, let's use it. As our President Duterte conveyed nung pong Sunday, alam naman po natin, sa sinabi niya in the Villamor Air Base, during the turnover, this vaccine will truly render the country a greater sense of normalcy. Ibig sabihin, napakarami na po nating pinagdaan ng hirap. Isang taon in Metro Manila, you can see the hardship. Not only, alam naman natin economy, but somehow, going home as naval employee, medical employee, alam niyo po yung makipag-usap sa members ng family niyo na magbibless at maghahagi. Okay na, sige, makipag-usap ako dun sa family member na hindi ka po pwedeng yumakap kagad, di po ba? That's the kind of life that we have. Hindi po tayo pwede mag-celebrate ng birthday with the whole family. Sabihin na natin, hindi na ho tayo nakapagta-travel ngayon. That's the usual, no? But of course, this is our part of ensuring that we go back to the normal and ensuring that our economy grows. That's why we call on everyone to continue to work together in unity and solidarity. Supportahan po natin ang bakunang ito. This is the start of the end. This vaccine are not magic wands that will instantly rid us of the COVID-19. Kinakailangan po natin, sabi nga po kanina, yung ating bida solusyon, distancing, wearing the face mask, the face shield, kahit nahihirapan po tayo. Gawin na po natin second to our part of our get up. Every time that we go out of that vehicle or go out of our house, we have this face shield, we have this face mask. We wash our hands, kahit na nagdadry na kagad ang skins nyo, pero kinakailangan po eh. So, we should continue to practice the minimum public health standards. We should continue because we, as the Filipino, we look at it at the whole of government, whole of nation approach. Hindi po ito po yung nakita natin na lahat nagtutulungan. Naging mas closer po ang relationship natin sa mga ating agencies. Di po ba, ma'am? Sa Ma'am ASEC, in every activities, partner po natin ng DILG. Hindi lang DILG lang yung kasama, the Navy, the military, the different regional offices, the DepEd. Kumbaga, nakita natin po yung pagtutulong-tulungan. Ito po yung spirit ng bayanihan that we have. At kaya nga po, we would like to congratulate the Navy for this event. You were given 1,000 doses as initial, 1,200 doses. Let's use it po for the protection not only of ourselves, but our families, our colleagues, our co-workers, and the people we serve. Magandang umaga po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, ma'am, for that wonderful remarks. At this point, we will now have a photo opportunity. May we invite our distinguished guests to please proceed in front for a photo opportunity to be followed by other senior officers aboard. Next line up would be the other senior officers aboard.
Thank you so much, sir. At this moment, everyone is invited to proceed inside the Jurado Hall for the continuation of the COVID-19 vaccination. Thank you and good day.
temperature. Oh, no more. No more temperature. No more temperature. Yun na lang. Mas maganda kung dyan tayo sa loob. Oo. Ayun ang pakunin. Yung kaya gusto mo?
Okay ba kayo dito? Or ano muna yan sila? Ang puputuot lang sila.
Oo.
Tapos ang una, registration. Tapos
Pwede kayo
na.
dito sa gitna.
Oh, doon na. Yun.
Doon na.